Hey, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. I've got a really cool muscle car I'm going to show you today. It's a 1968 GTO. It's documented with the Pontiac Historical papers. Its numbers match. It's a factory colors. It's a 4-speed. It's air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, rally gauges. Got a lot going for it. But wait, there's more. California born and raised. It was sold new in California and it lived there till 2018. It just made its way into Illinois just recently. So it's a Southern California rust-free car. Go to volocars.com. You'll see all the specs. We have pictures underneath, pricing, along with a few hundred other really cool cars for sale. That's volocars.com. But for now, let's take it for a spin. I'm excited to tell you about it. We're going to start it up. You're going to like how this one sounds. I don't know about you, but I am a sucker for that dark blue. It's code E. It's Aegean blue, it's called. This is the color it was born. And it looks great with the blue interior. The black vinyl top even looks really nice on here. But this is original sheet metal. This is a California rust-free car. Original quarter panels, bottoms of the doors, fenders are mint. It's dry, clean body. When you look at the pictures on our website of the underneath, we left it original. We chose not to go over it with black paint. It's original, so it's not glossy and glamorous under the car, but if you know what you're looking at, it's perfectly clean metal, the seams, the spot welds, it's nice. Underneath does have new shocks, new springs, new ball joints, new exhaust, so that's all done. But look at this beautiful interior. It's completely restored. New cushions in the seats. The whole dash area is restored. The chrome bezels, the gauges, the knobs, the headliner, the visors, the mirror. It's got a deluxe steering wheel. It's got a console. All new carpet, has embroidered GTO floor mats that match the carpet. Everything up in front here, the grills and bezels, all new. VIN number match 400 motor that came with the car, rebuilt. They did put an Edelbrock intake and carb on there and some headers, so it runs strong. New cadmium plated brake booster and new master. Air conditioning system's all completely gone through. It's cold air conditioning. BFG tires on restored Rally 2s. They're painted, clear coated. They even have the right lug nuts and center caps. And I like how they picked up the red on the wheels, on the emblems, the decals. That red really just adds a little pop. Seat belts are beautiful. The jambs are spotless. The bottom edge of the door is immaculate. Again, the whole dash area is beautiful. The headliner is nice and tight. It's not wrinkled up. The trunk is clean. It's the original metal in there. Look how it shines. The jambs, original seams, they're spotless. Has the rally gauges. Let me fire it up. All new weather strips. All the stainless has been polished. The chrome on the vent pillars are beautiful. The fuzzy window seals are new. I'm looking at the door handles and window cranks and armrest bases. It's all been redone. The gauges are working. I know you're not here to see the car. I'm telling you, this is a good one. To find a 4-speed with air, number match, great colors, California car. That is a slick ride. Has the correct antenna that it came with. The wipers are shiny. All this trim is shiny. The vinyl top is new. Glass is all real nice. Just as smooth and slick under here. New weather strip. It's got the correct Pontiac exhaust tips. New tail lights. Oh, it still has a California plate that we got with the car. Yeah, this thing's nice. Even the key buzzer works. So go to volocars.com. There's an icon in the top right of your screen. You can click on that and it takes you right to this car on our website. It has all the specs and pricing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're on a mission to do better and better videos, and we're really getting some awesome cars, and they are for sale. And that's one of the best ways to keep in touch with what we're getting. So thanks for watching. Let us know if you need any help with this car.